a blessed child. I'm a blessed child. Rastafari protect, I am a blessed child. Glory be unto the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie the first. Rastafari. All of the women them in here will know sound of love on the black skin. The black skin. Yeah, come in like we are going around here, yeah? Yeah, man, Fyah go on too, you know? Yeah. It's amphitheater. About me, because I'm black skin. Now we're arguing on the ending. Him say want about me, because it's black skin. Too much for him, it's too happening. Him say want about me, but I'm go par. Him now want a black girl in him car. Him say want about me, oh yes about me. Too bad cause I don't have no level. Him a run down color, now run down the art. She got good brain, him swear such a smart. And Brownie no want him, she just a extort him. And as him back turn, a man a tear her apart. When I go free me up for you, me I go beat it out now. Oh, this a black skin, it's a black skin. It's time for time. Alright, yes. Him say wants about me, because my black skin. Now we're again, I know the ending. Him say wants about me, because it's black skin. Too much for him, it's too happening. Him say wants about me, but him go far. Him no want a black girl in him car. Him say wants about me, oh yes about me. Too bad cause I don't have no brown skin. Cause him a run down color, now run down the art. She got good brain, him swear such a smart. And Brownie no want him, it's just a extort him. And as him back turn, a man a tear her apart. Me nah go creamy over you, me nah go bleach it out. Nah stoop, nah bow, nah go the other road. Accept my black car, please just get out. Now change my nose, spouse. And say wants about me, because my black skin. Now we're rocking, I know the ending. And say wants about me, because it's locked in. Too much for him, it's too happening. And say wants about me, for them go far. Him now want a black girl in him car. And say wants about me, oh yes about me. I got a mix me now, then not to you. Now I get no cuttings, my face I get no rubbings, but then I get no stuffings for you. I rather know to myself I am true. Me now alter who I am to please you. Take me as I am, I just go. No, I'm a sure me say you're dealing with a pro. Me love my black skin in case I never know. If I brown and you won't, then you should just go. Say what about me, because you're me no man. It's time for Tari. All the sound of love with the black skin, don't it? Hold it 1 second, Fyah, because I don't know, I've got Tari experience. I look at something, I know enough of the black queens out there is going through it too. Because from what they like where I go on, you know, they might try dilute the black skin and we want to endorse the black skin and love it, you know. The man them have to strengthen the females them, don't it? Yes, run that for me again. No love, no love, no. Why them now? No love, no love, no love. Them got no love for the black woman. Why? Me get for find out no for them a funny guy. And disrespect and them say me a try. I'm working hard still I get no fly. Them got no love for the black woman. Why? Me get for find out no for them a funny guy. And disrespect I battery a try. I'm working hard still I get level. Black woman, you can't give up no matter what. Take care of your youths, cause that your day of fuck. You're going through struggles, but you got no power. You can be what you want, keep saying your prayer. I know they try to bring you down. The negative vibes to put you underground. Keep on smiling, queen, don't you frown. Stay above waters and don't you drown. Every man come from a woman and a lie. Tell me why you hurt somebody makes you cry. You never even wipe her eye. You're leaving the house with no kiss goodbye. Mix, you must be funny. This is the woman and I worship money. Bragging to your friends and I call her dummy. Oh, when you feel it, don't do that to your mommy. You better check yourself before you hurt yourself, honey. Them got no love for the black woman. Why? They get no fight, no for them a funny guy. And disrespect unnecessary I die. I'm original, still I get no blood. I'm got no love for the black woman. Why? They get to find out nobody my funny cause and disrespect. To say me a die. Yeah, me never want to the government good. Here man I get promote. What about the ladies? 9 months in a belly carry the babies. Never sue for them minimum wages. Even when it starts strongly me a face it. Where's the love that the man got for the female? Him now have no time for her, but him checking email. Them left it so long to him she gets stale. And she dead when him be a jail. You need to do better. Respect females like you respect your mother. Empress men, you do what you feel honor. For the black squeeze, I got to sing that song. You're stronger fire, and then we have the honor. Oh yeah, them got no. That's what that no man. How you feeling? Too bad, 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 too bad. Landlord want the money but me can't pay the rent. Looking in my pocket and I don't see a cent. Oh Jah, help me, oh Jah, help me. Landlord want the money but me can't pay the rent. Looking in my pocket and I don't see a cent. Oh Jah, help me, oh Jah, help me, Jah, please help me. No vanity can tempt me. I'm a broke and me hungry. Me nah give up 'cause I love me. But I love who we are. Take more time out. Can't pay the rent and this is no joke. I don't even have a place to go. Jungle fire only you know. Landlord want the money but me can't pay the rent. Looking in my pocket and I don't see a cent. Oh Jah, help me, oh Jah, help me. Landlord want the money but me can't pay the rent. Looking in my pocket and I don't see a cent. Oh Jah, help me, oh Jah, help me. Looking at job but can't get none. Can't even buy a shoes for my one son. Direct money this month me not have none. But me still not pick up no long gun. It all long 'cause the old gun so me can't steal. Me don't know what to do right now but pray. Jah please provide for me every day. So every month my rent can pay. Landlord wanna, that's for that. We're tired of them landlord, they don't it. Them landlord they for women. Alright now, me I tell you though, I be things that go on. When I watch the news, I'ma say, like the little baby them might get raped. Them something that grieves me. Especially in Jamaica, don't it? If you're born a rapist, say born a rapist. Say born a rapist. Cause Jungle Fyah come for done a rape. Rape the girl, she tell you no, stop it now, but you rape the girl. How you feel as a man when you rape the girl? And the boy touch my daughter, me done him. Rape a boy, tell me why you rape the girl. She tell you no, stop it now, but you rape the girl. How you feel as a man when you rape the girl? And the boy touch my daughter. You have a daughter, still you wanna take up on the on the street and just bring around her. No respect for your mother or your little sister. You don't get a fat shot if you touch Kunaya. You know sister them on the ears. Cause on the girl you violate. No woman in the place for them choose for rape. Me no rape. Rape is them they are rape. Jungle Fyah catch them and bust out them face rape a boy. Tell me why you rape the girl. Tell you don't stop it now, but you rape the girl. How you feel as a man? You have enough level. We have done him, cause him go touch her, worse him go rush her, him couldn't wait. Him take the gun and gun cut her, she balling, no, him pull out and go far. Backside up now, she can't boost no war. Police find out, rape her boy, start threat. Bad man food, them not see nothing yet. Run away again, I got Harry, I know everything, rape her boy. As him go touch her, worse him go rush her, him couldn't wait. Him take the gun and gun cut her, she balling, no, him pull out and go far. Backside up now, she can't boost no war. Police find out, rape her boy, start threat. Bad man food, them not see nothing yet. Run away again. I got Harry, I know represent of a rape her boy. You know why you rape the girl, she tell you don't stop it now. Him rape the girl, or him feel as a man. Him rape the girl, and the boy just made that and me done him. Rape her. When I say, when I rape